Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful green pallu with block prints and zari lines. Same green blouse piece, it's a light green shade, almost in a apple green color. The body color is completely cream here with blue as well as yellow prints in the body. The border design is also printed using royal blue here with the green borders, the pallu color borders for the zari border base. Excellent, classy looking saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful light green color, almost in a light green it is with block prints and zari lines. And we have same color blouse piece with one side dark brown color border. The complete saree is in dark brown, a coffee brown and a darker shade with buttas, the block prints done using half white in the body. And for the borders we have yellow and green block print as well done along with the white prints. Beautiful design, very different one with the green borders adding beauty to the saree. A completely contrast and very beautiful combo saree. A rare collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a complete purple saree with purple pallu, block print design as well as zari lines in the pallu. And the same color blouse piece, we have a mild pink shade on purple which is very pretty. The Pochambali elephants concept is printed in the saree. Half white is used for printing. And completely a simple concept yet very elegant color. The color is very attractive with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful red pallu with block prints and zari lines. Same red blouse piece. Contrast one for the body. The body is in half white color with a batik printing done using mustard yellow color. The temple border, a beautiful butta design as well as the lower half we have the very elegant blocks. Peacocks and bird pattern is done on red base color. Excellent one, the combination as well as the concept is very pretty with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark brown color, almost blackish brown it is with zari lines and zari border. The same color, purple color is not brown, purple, dark purple color, blouse and pallu. The saree is in half white, a creamy half white color with dark blue color prints, and we also have a border design done in pink color. Very different saree, an exclusive collection with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a brownish maroon shade pallu with fish motifs in one side and zari lines in the main pallu, and the same color is given for the blouse piece as well. Almost maroonish red it is. The saree is in black with both sides we have the prints in half white. Beautiful fish pattern printed on both sides very elegantly using the shades of red and orange, and the borders are in pallu color. Temple border is also given with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful half white pallu with multiple colors vertically, zari lines as well as block printed beautiful pallu with a light green color, almost a parent green color blouse piece with one side blue borders. The complete saree is in the blue and green concept. In the middle we have a plain blue, next to that we have a green portion, and we have a block printed portion in both sides on white base, and we also have the blue for the zari borders. Excellent concept, a very colorful saree with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful rusty orange color pallu with zari lines and zari border. Same orange blouse piece, plain one with both sides zari borders. The saree is in half white base color, a little cream shade with the mustard yellow color blocks all over. And we also have a big blocks in the mango shape in green color. And borders are in pallu color. Yes. Very elegant one, different design with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a multicolor pallu, grey, red as well as black is there in the pallu, vertically with zari lines and same maroon color blouse piece. One side we have black borders. The saree is in very different light color, half white with yellow tinge, and the complete saree have batik printing also done using dark pink color, and we have a beautiful different design printed in the saree using black and pink. You can see the lower bottom we have maroon base display. Excellent saree, multiple designs with authentic silk. Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. So we have a very beautiful half white pallu, very rare color in the pallu with block prints in multiple colors and zari lines. And we have a very different printed blouse piece. Rarely we get printed blouse piece, and that is also done in a dark royal blue, half white used for the printing. The complete saree is in white and blue concept, royal blue with the circles pattern. We also have temple borders on both sides. We have the half white base color with a multiple colored bird pattern printed. The zari borders are also on the half white base, an excellent concept and new design, exclusive one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a running pallu design saree, same body color pallu with block prints, and we also have zari lines, zari border. The saree we have a completely contrast dark magenta pink color blouse piece. The print is done in the magenta pink, same is given for the blouse piece here. Beautiful prints on the cream color saree with the borders on greenish grey color. Excellent concept, very beautiful with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful dual color pallu, purple and royal blue. Very elegant one with purple color blouse piece with one side the royal blue borders. Very different concept saree. Here we have a beautiful white base color with prints in light royal blue. The top half we have 4 different prints, and we have yellow next to that red, and the lower half is dark blue. The borders of the saree is done on purple base color, zari border. A beautiful saree with multiple prints, very elegantly done with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu with zari lines and block printed design, and here we have same color blouse piece. The blouse piece, the saree as well as the pallu all in same color, running color, and the color is here a Prussian blue, dark royal blue we can call, a Prussian blue color with vertically printed design. We have a beautiful Kodi design done in black, and we also have a zigzag kind of lines, curved lines done using half white. Beautiful saree, very different design and with zari borders, simple and elegant with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a brown color pallu with zari lines and vertical printed version of block prints, and we have same brown blouse piece with one side pink borders. It is a coffee brown color. A same coffee brown is given for the zari border base in the saree with a pink body color. The body color is completely pink here with very elegant prints. The prints are done only in the top half of the saree, that means it comes in the chest portion. Beautifully dark brown and white is used for printing. Excellent combination, very beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful yellow and red color pallu with zari lines and very beautiful block printed design. Very contrast yellow color blouse piece with red borders. Extremely contrast concept, and here the block print is also a very elegant and a traditional one. The Ganesha concept, Ganesha sitting in his mother's lap. Beautiful one that is done in the traditional colors too, or red and yellow. The block prints are also given in the both sides of the saree, top and bottom. On the bottom we have a zigzag lines version vertically done. A red concept, and only in the buttas we have the yellow. Very elegant saree, beautiful and traditional with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful green, almost in bottle green color shade, with beautiful zari lines and vertical block printed design. Same color blouse piece with one side pink borders, completely contrast concept. Saree is a bright pink here with yellow floral design printed, completely block printed, with the border design also horizontally done in the saree both sides. And the zari border of the saree is done on the bottle green base color, which is in the pallu. Extremely contrast and very attractive saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful lavenderish pink color saree, almost lavender pink shade with same color blouse piece. One side block printed blouse piece it is. Zari lines as due to the pallu. Complete saree is in single color, and it is a very pretty lavender and pink mixed color. Beautiful one. The complete prints are in contrast, yellow and pink shades, and we also have white prints all over. Very different color, rare collection with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu with multicolors. You can see blue, green and red shades with block prints and zari lines, and we have the blue copper sulphate blue color blouse piece with one side the brick red color borders. Saree is a very different color, a pastel shade, mild green tinge, so olive green tinge with the prints in very different dark green and red. Two different kind of printing, the leaf pattern as well as a very different pattern in the top. Again a blue portion is given in the lower half. Multiple designs printed in the saree, very different, rare collection, and rare color combination with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey pallu with block prints in half white and blue, pink, and we also have zari lines. And the grey is given for the blouse piece also. The pallu color, the body color is a very different one. New design here, almost a rama green in the middle portion, that is a plain portion, and after that we have the half white portion with pink prints. Very elegant one, the forest tribal pattern, as well as we have geometric design, leaf, and many designs are given in one single saree with the grey borders in both sides. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful green pallu with block prints in the fish pattern printed using half white, and on it the royal blue is used here, and we have same green, a light green color, parrot green at most, with one side pink borders. The saree is in beautiful pink between plain portion, and the top and bottom we have the printing design, fish pattern as well as a leaf pattern horizontally printed, and we also have the beautiful hand fan design, very elegant one, and the borders are in a pretty green, ultimate contrast nature saree, very beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black pallu with zari lines and zari border, same in jet black color blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body have very beautiful design, half white base with brush painted design in the saree. You can see art design, very elegantly brush painted using yellow, blue and black, and we also have a beautiful printing design in the black also. The lower part is completely printed using a floral design, very elegantly closely with red part. Beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a multicolor pallu, very elegant one, vertically zari lines and colors are given with royal blue color blouse piece. One side we have green in the blouse piece. Saree is in half white dull finish half white it is. The top portion is plain half white color with the crane prints, and the lower part is a fully printed one on white base. It is a half saree model saree. The top and bottom we have two different designs. Very elegant design, exclusive collection with authentic silk. Pure Kasa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Kasa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful sky blue color saree with same color pallu, block prints as well as zari lines in the pallu with same color blouse piece, completely in single color running concept saree with the prints in half white. We have a semicircular design as well as florals, different beautiful designs all over the saree with authentic silk. Pure Kasa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Kasa fabric. Here we have a beautiful saree in Prussian blue color, same color pallu with block prints and zari lines, and same color blouse piece, plain one. The complete saree is in single color with the lower half alone. The half white color is given, and then we have a beautiful girl with deep forest pattern printed using black color. Excellent color, beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure Kasa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Kasa fabric. This is the pallu of the saree, fully magenta pink color saree and pallu with block prints and zari lines. And we have same pink blouse piece, a plain one with zari borders alone. The complete saree is in the pink base, very elegant pink too, magenta pink color with all over the block prints. It's a very different closely printed design in a triangle shape. The zari borders are done in the gold color. Excellent concept, very simple but beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure Kasa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Kasa fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey and blue pallu, very beautiful zari lines and zari border on the pallu with the blue. It's a beautiful blue shade blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body is in half white tinge, and it have a mild green and blue mixed tinge also. It's not completely half white, with mild blue tinge it is. The complete printing is done using the dark blue. It is a different beautiful blue with the borders also in the blue color. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kasa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Kasa fabric. Here we have a beautiful red pallu with zari lines vertically, same red blouse piece with one side, border design also printed. The most demanded saree, restocked for customers' choice, and the half white saree, it is almost a color with multiple palm leaf design printed, multiple colors used here, you can see, with the red borders in both sides. Very elegant saree, classy looking one with multiple colors, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kasa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Kasa fabric. Here we have a beautiful light blue color pallu with zari lines and zari borders, and same blue blouse piece. The blouse piece is also a plain one here with zari borders in both sides. And the saree is completely a cream color, half white, almost a white shade, beautiful one, pastel. And we have the zari borders in the light blue color. Lower part we have the block prints in same blue color. Very elegant one, classy saree with authentic silk. Pure Kasa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Kasa fabric. We have a beautiful dark red, almost a maroonish red color pallu and blouse piece, plain blouse piece with one side yellow borders. The pallu is having vertical zari lines. We have a bright yellow, turmeric yellow in a very brighter shade, and the borders are in the red, and we also have the block prints in the lower part of the saree with very elegant red and green colors. Most demanded design we created on request with authentic silk. Pure Kasa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Kasa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful green color pallu. It's a very different light green with same color blouse piece, pallu color. Pallu have beautiful zari lines as well, gold zari border and zari lines, and we have a half white color saree with prints only in a elephant grey, not a very dark black but a elephant black color. Both Kori design as well as floral design, printed very elegantly with the green borders that is in the pallu color for the zari border base. Excellent saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful yellow saree with same yellow pallu. It's a very famous design recreated on request, and we have a plain same color blouse piece. The saree is also in the running color, completely in single color concept. Only the butta designs are the contrast here. That is also done in half white. The border designs also block print. Excellent color, excellent design with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful blue saree here in same color pallu, zari lines and block prints in vertical way in the pallu. And we have same color blouse piece with zari borders. The most demanded saree, and color of the saree is a very pretty one. Neither royal blue nor navy, something between both. Beautiful diagonal checks pattern, very elegant one, done using half white color. Excellent, simple and most demanded saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. So we have a very beautiful radiant green and yellow mixed color pallu. So dual tone, almost yellow with mild green tinge. We have same color blouse piece. The saree is in green, a darker shade green, almost a bottle green color. A beautiful droplet design printed all over. Closely it's been printed with the yellow, lemon yellow and green mixed color borders. Excellent combination with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful green saree with green pallu, leaf green beautiful color with zari lines vertically, and same color blouse piece with one side light green color borders. The saree is in light green base color, beautiful one, almost apple green with dark green prints all over, and we also have a butta design printed in peachy pink color. The borders are in pallu color green. Complete saree is in green base, light and dark finish with excellent combination when it comes to authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful yellow saree, mustard yellow color, fully in same color, bold and mustard, it's beautiful yellow. The same color blouse piece. Complete saree is in single running color concept. Body have fully printed design, red used for the flowers and the green for the plant design. Very elegant one with zari borders in both sides. Excellent bright beautiful shade with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful zari lined pallu, multiple colored one. Blue and green are very prominent in the one with the block prints in black. And we have a copper sulphate blue color blouse piece. Blouse piece have one side dark blue color, that is the royal blue color borders. The saree is in royal blue, beautiful one with the temple borders in copper sulphate blue. On the lower half we have multiple color, the block printed, new design, tribal pattern printed in an excellent design, a new one, exclusive pattern too with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful light green color pallu with zari lines and zari borders. Same green blouse piece with one side we have magenta pink color borders. The saree is in magenta pink, beautiful color. The block print design is a floral one here, white and yellow used for the printing. One in a row in the top and two in a row in the bottom print. And the borders of the saree is done in the pallu color green, light green color. Excellent concept saree in ultimate contrast combo with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful dual color pallu here, mustard yellow and orange rust color, and we have mustard yellow color blouse piece. very beautiful borders in it. The saree is completely printed. The center maroon color. On maroon we have the prints, the floral as well as zigzag lines pattern. Checked one it is done, and we have the mustard yellow borders and rust color border base is given for the zari borders. A different concept, elegant saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed foil Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue saree, same color pallu, running color. Blouse is also in the same color. The body have beautiful prints all over, done using half white and pink. This is something lesser than the royal blue shade, almost in blue color. Elegant one, closely printed, excellent design with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a maroon pallu with zigzag lines and as well as zari lines in the saree, block prints as well as zari line. Same color blouse piece, almost burgundy color, very elegant one. Excellent shade, dark maroon or burgundy we can call, with the mango design, a big mango design. Yellow used for printing, and we have the zigzag lines pattern in both side borders in yellow and white. Alternatively both are used, and we have the zari border in gold zari. Excellent combination, a dark shade saree. Very rarely we get dark shades in Tassa. Excellent one to grab with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. We have a beautiful pink pallu with fully block printed design and zari lines vertically. Same pink blouse piece with one side yellow borders. The combination is really beautiful, ultimate contrast one. Yellow, turmeric yellow, bright shade with the prints is done on red color, brownish red. The border one side is also in the same color, and we have the pink border in the lower part along with floral printing design. It is done in half white. Almost a 3/4 saree is yellow and the rest is pink. Excellent color combo, ultimate beautiful combination with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful half white color pallu, rare color for the pallu with zari lines and block prints. And we have a contrast maroon blouse piece. Inside we have blue borders. Ultimate contrast combination. The pallu is ultimately contrast as well as the blouse piece. The saree is in blue shade, light pale royal blue color with the temple borders. And we also have the white borders in both sides. On it the zari border is also printed, and we also have the beautiful print design, the peacocks and floral. Very elegant combination, beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a half white color pallu, where it is also given the pallu with zari lines and block printed design. A maroonish red color blouse piece, plain one, zari borders. This complete saree is in beautiful half white cream color, and we have the prints in black and red. Excellent design in both borders as well as in the body. We have beautifully printed design. Elegant classy saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful chocolate brown color saree with same color pallu, zari lines and block print design in the pallu with same color blouse piece. The complete saree is in running color. The body have fully printed floral design. The floral printing is done using half white color. Excellent, very closely printed, beautiful and elegant design with zari borders. Simple but beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful peach color, a peach and pink mixed color, beautiful pallu and same color blouse piece. Zari lines as we do the pallu with the cream color, half white color saree, the printing of florals done in yellow and red, and we also have the leaves done using green. The peach borders is given in the both side borders. The zari borders also done on the peach color. Very elegant combination with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful color saree, a pink and chocolate brown mixed color, very elegant one with zari lines and block prints in the pallu. Same color blouse piece. The complete saree is in single color. A dark onion peel pink color also we can tell. Different one color as well as the design is very pretty and different. The block prints, the body design is in leaf pattern done in half white yellow color, and the half white is given for the border design block prints. Elegant, excellent design with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful red as well as purple shade pallu with block prints in white and zari lines. Dark purple color, violet and purple mixed color blouse piece. The saree is in grey color. Complete saree is in grey with the borders in red. Zari border is printed on the red base, and we have the mango design printed in both sides, that is done on half white base color. The color of the saree is very pretty. Different combination with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful yellow pallu with green block prints and zari lines, and same yellow color blouse piece. It's a very beautiful turmeric bright yellow. The saree is in sky blue color, light blue, excellent shade, rare color, rare design, very beautiful and exclusive design. Mango design printed here, hand block printed using yellow and green colors. Excellent contrast combination with authentic silk.